Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you an ultimate website where you can enroll, where you can find out unlimited tools related to APIs. It can be no-code AI builders similar to ChatGPT, Claude, Quen, all the AI providers. So there is no limit to it. It contains 100% free tools with no limit, unlimited access. This is a website. If you simply go to Product Hunt, the very first website which comes. So I'm using this website for past 6 months to actually find out quality AI tools related to AI coding, programming, image generator, video generator. So once you land on this tool here, you will see the interface looks something like this. It's a number one website if you are a AI developer. So on a daily basis, you will see top products launched today. So every time, whenever there is a new product released in the market, so the first place it is directly released on this website, Product Hunt. If you are not using this website, you are losing out a lot of tools. So right here, you can see that it will show you the top AI tools which is used by developers. So right here you simply click on that individual tool and then it will redirect you to the simply to that specific tool. So the process is quite simple. With the help of this website, you will be able to actually enroll different APIs, different coding platforms, different image video generator platforms. The limit is endless. It contains millions of websites in a single website. So you can just see here. You can even directly inside this, you can also category wise, you can even search. If you're only looking for the LLM APIs, you can simply click on that. We are only looking for the APIs, vibe coding tools, coding agents, coding editors. So you will be able to actually search. You will see that this is Grok chat. As you see that this is an ultimate API for developers to actually try out different APIs, different AI providers. So with the help of this website, I actually you can see that it also suggests you tools as well in the sidebar section. As you are seeing any individual tool, it actually shows you the description of the tool. It also shows you the images, the reviews. Other people have used the tool, they have given the review rating as well. So with the help of this, you will be able to actually find out multiple websites, AI websites with unlimited access. So this is one other website. As you see, it's an AI cloud API for calling 200 plus AI models. So with the help of this website, I actually get to know about so many websites which are really new in the market. So it's actually, you can even click on the search button, and right here you can simply say API. So right in the search bar as well, you can simply type API and then all the tools related to this will show. So unlimited tools will be there in the pagination. You can go to the next page. So so every minute new tools are adding right here related to AI. So don't miss this. Go to this website and you can start for completely free. Simply log in with your Google account and right here you can simply search. You can see that. So it shows you all the tools. You can see that coding IDEs, APIs, image generator, video generator. So you simply type this in the search bar and automatically it searches the entire website and gives you the tools ready made. And you simply click on the tool and automatically. So it's a perfect website. If you are a AI developer, definitely visit this. You can see that once you visit this, you will see free AI video editor. With the help of this, you will be able to see open source free tools which are there in the market, which are not yet popular, but you will be able to use those tools because if you are there inside this website.